Good morning. Excuse me. It's a nice morning here on the homestead. Heading into the garden to build Kim a little sitting area. She's had one every year, and just gonna make her a little nicer area. Have a little roof on it. It's gonna be rustic, because that's just what I do. So let's get at it. This ash is so hard that I have to pre-drill for the nails, but it's a good solid wood. I also have a chunk of beeswax that I coat my nails and especially screws when I'm trying to get them to go into a hard piece of wood. Helps the screws a whole bunch. And I normally use screws, but I got so many nails through some of these estate sales and stuff. Makes no sense not to use them. So they're gonna get used up on this. And it may not go. I've been up here making trusses, rafters, and call them trusses with this bracing. And when you have a sawmill, you can build these big, thick, beefy boards, more like a timber frame than a regular framing. But man, they are a beast. Day 2 on the Shady Rest. My apologies. I didn't record anything while sawing these little trusses that I made. I'm so used to working alone that I forget to even record. but I'll show you where I'm at. These are some beefy things. Those are 2x3 ash. And so now, back up to the sawmill. Hey there, I am back working on the roof for Kim's little place. For those of you that have seen Petticoat Junction, you know what I mean if I say and call it the Shady Rest. And it's going to have wood roofing, not shingles. It's just going to be like a lap siding. It's not going to be waterproof. Adjust this as I move. Yeah, it's not supposed to be waterproof. Just some place for her to get out of the sun and take it easy. Every now and then, she likes to go out there and have her coffee. And, but it'll hold up. I'm hitting these ash boards with water locks. And as long as wood's allowed to dry, it will not rot very quickly. Our hen house is is from a sassafras tree, a big sassafras tree. And it's done really good. I'm back. It's got a nice weathered gray to it, and I have no issues with it. So, and I mean, I don't think I put anything on it. I think I just put the boards up. And I let it be. And like I say, it's not had any problem at all. I get a little bit further along here. I'll show you what these look like. I just had to grab them all, and I had them leaning up against the bucket of the tractor. We started to get a little shower. I had to grab them and get them under the roof. And the shower's gone as fast as it came. I about halfway believe that anymore the meteorologists, they just go by computer. I don't know if they study or if they actually check out what it's doing, but I've never seen them be so inconsistent when it comes to rain, and the way that was this winter with snow. Everybody says it's a ratings thing. I don't watch local news except in the morning in the wintertime when I'm in the shop at work. This is her roof. This is ash that I cut on the sawmill, ran the top side through the planer, and now I'm just coating the underside, and I got 2 boards to go. And I'll let them dry overnight, see what the weather says for tomorrow, or just wake up and see what the weather is for tomorrow. And we both got our Moderna second shot today, so I'm not sure how we're going to wake up feeling. It's really nice having my sawmill. I still have a lot to learn, a long way to go, and Anna White has a pretty cool greenhouse plans, if you've ever heard of her. If you can look her up. And she's got a 12-foot greenhouse that's relatively inexpensive to build. And having a sawmill, it will be even better. She used, well, I don't think she could get T111 siding, and she used MDF paneling. No, she used OSB siding, and I hope to do ours with all cedar siding. It's about 4 foot up that it's paneled, and then I don't know if it's Lexan clear roofing that goes on up the sides and for the roof. And what I hope to do is to it's 9 by 12, and so I'm either going to stretch it out to 24 or 30 feet. 9 feet wide is not a whole lot once you get tables in there, and so we need the length to just to have more space, and it's just something I want Kim to have. I've talked about it for a long time, and she's always thought her little 6 by 8 or whatever that one is that I bought, she thinks that's adequate, but she can't hardly move in there, and she's only got shelves down one side. So that's something that I can cut everything ahead of time, stack it. I can build the walls up here at the shop. I can pre-assemble a whole lot of it and then take it down close to the house where we're closer to electric and water and put that thing together. So I'm on my last board. I'm going to get that done and head to the house for the day. I just wanted to bring you all up to date on where I was with this. And I'll get back with you when I start putting the roof on. Alright, it's the next day. All my boards got waterproofed. I'll keep this short because it's pretty breezy up here, and I know that can get annoying on a video. So, turn you around and show you the framework. Her Shady Rest is all framed up. Got the roof over there and getting ready to go at it. All day today, so I didn't get to put the rest of the roof up. It's nice out now, but I want to go ahead and finish this video up. And you saw pretty much everything that I got done yesterday, and I feel sure Kim's probably gonna have a video to also have this in it when she's out. Whoop, hang on, I dropped you. Oh man. So anyhow, the other side's going to look like this, and I'm sure Kim will have this in some of her videos when she's out here in the garden. But I just wanted to finish this up and get this video done and get it posted. So until the next build, thanks for hanging out at Runaway Homestead. So have a good evening, and we'll see you soon.